Scarlet Macaw, the colorful wonders of nature. Scarlet macaw, known for its stunning red, yellow, and blue feathers, is truly mesmerizing. These birds thrive in tropical rainforests, primarily found in Central and South America. Their diet mainly consists of fruits, nuts, and seeds, showcasing their diverse feeding habits. Scarlet macaws are highly intelligent, capable of mimicking sounds and communicating effectively. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect their habitat, ensuring these beautiful birds thrive. Join us in protecting these magnificent birds.